Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job? Or maybe you're a stay-at-home parent looking for a way to earn money online. What if I told you that you could work from home, set your own hours, and get paid all without needing a degree or experience? Sounds too good to be true. Well, let me tell you, I started as a virtual assistant with zero experience, and now I'm working from home, earning online, and building a stable career. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start your virtual assistant journey even if you have no experience. Okay, first of all, let's talk about what a virtual assistant actually is. A virtual assistant, or VA, is someone who provides remote services to businesses or entrepreneurs. Instead of working in an office, you work from home and handle different tasks like email management, social media, customer service, or admin work. Think of it this way: companies need help, but instead of hiring an in-office employee, they hire someone online to do the work. That's where we, virtual assistants, come in. The best part: you don't need a college degree or previous experience. All you need are the right skills and the willingness to learn. Now, let's talk about the skills you need before you apply as a VA. These are the basics. Number 1, communication skills. You don't have to be fluent in English, but you should know how to write professional emails and messages. Number 2, basic admin tasks. This includes email management, data entry, scheduling, and organizing files. Number 3, Google Workspace and Microsoft Office. You should be comfortable using Google Docs, Sheets, Drive, and Calendar. Number 4, social media basics. Some clients will ask you to schedule posts, engage with followers, or create content. Even basic knowledge of Canva and Facebook scheduling tools will help. Number 5, time management and organization. Since you'll be working remotely, your client won't be there to check on you every second. You have to manage your time wisely. If you don't have these skills yet, don't worry, everything can be learned online for free. Here's the good news: you don't need to pay for expensive courses just to learn these skills. There are free resources everywhere. YouTube has thousands of tutorials on how to use Google Workspace, Canva, and even client communication tips. Google and Coursera offer free courses on Microsoft Office, admin tasks, and even customer service skills. Facebook groups are also a great place to learn. Many experienced VA letters share free resources, job leads, and even training materials. So, before you apply, take some time to learn and practice. The more skills you have, the better your chances of getting hired. Okay, so now you're thinking, but I don't have experience. How will I prove that I can do the job? That's where a VA portfolio comes in. A portfolio is just a simple collection of sample work that shows clients what you can do. Here's how to make one. First, create a Google Drive folder where you can store your sample work. Second, make sample tasks. If you want to do admin work, create an email draft, a calendar schedule, or a sample data entry sheet. If you want to be a social media VA, create Canva graphics and sample captions. Then organize your portfolio with clear labels and descriptions. And when you apply for jobs, just send your Google Drive link to your client, even without experience. Having a portfolio makes you stand out from other applicants. It shows that you're serious and willing to put in the effort. All right, now that you have the skills and portfolio, where do you actually find VA jobs? Here are the best platforms to start with. OnlineJobs, best for Filipino freelancers. Upwork and Freelancer, competitive but high-paying. Fiverr, set up gigs and let clients find you. Facebook VA groups, many small business owners post job offers here. When applying, make sure to send a short but personalized cover letter. Don't just copy-paste templates. And don't forget to follow up on your applications. Many VAs don't do this, but a simple follow-up email can increase your chances of getting hired. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to get hired faster. Apply to at least 5 to 10 jobs a day. The more applications you send, the better your chances. Be patient. Rejections are normal, don't get discouraged. Keep learning new skills. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Build confidence. Even if you're a beginner, act like a pro. Clients will take you more seriously. And most importantly, don't give up. Your first client might take time, but once you get hired, everything will start falling into place. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to start as a virtual assistant, even if you have zero experience. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and comment your goals if you're ready to start your freelancing journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more freelancing tips. And I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.